TOMAR is happy to present our RECT Series chase lamps for off-road vehicle use. Chase or safety lamps are designed to penetrate dust behind the vehicle to notify those behind of its presence. Today we will introduce these kits and walk you through programming the RECT Series. The TOMAR RECT Series has been used for over a decade on emergency and service vehicles across the world. They are smart LED lamps with built-in flashers and feature a TOMAR patented vibration seal, which makes them air, water, and dust-proof. The optics are hybrid TIR collimator and have a strong focus of light, making them ideal for penetration of dust for rearward identification. These are some examples of our RECT Series lamps. You have the RECT 13, the RECT 14, and the RECT 16. The RECT 13 is a 3 LED single color lamp. The RECT 14 is a 4 LED lamp that can come in split color, and the RECT 16 is a 6 LED lamp that comes in split color as well. Something to note about the RECT 16s is it can be ordered two different ways, horizontal mount or vertical mount, and this is important for your install. With 5 colors to choose from and split colors on the 14 and 16 kits, they can be customized to your liking. When you order a kit, you will receive everything you need to mount and wire the lamps in virtually any place you would want to put them. The kits can be ordered with 3 different size modules and one of 4 types of mounts. These selectable mounts aid in universal placement of the kits. The kit we have today is our RECT 16 kit with the low profile 90-degree bracket. The kit comes with 2 lamps, 2 mounting brackets, a wiring kit, and wiring harness. The wiring harness includes a 5-foot run of connection cable for in between the lamps and 20 feet of cable to connect to the vehicle's battery or switching. When considering a switch, you should select one that can support at least 1 amp at 12 volts. As a single, the largest RECT lamp, the 16, draws around 0.4 amps in steady burn function. The lamps come with the connector pins not installed in the connectors to ease installation. This helps the wires pass through the mounting bracket hole after the bracket is mounted. The mounting brackets can be mounted in several methods. On our test vehicle, these were mounted using a 3M VHB double-sided tape. However, for a permanent mount, we suggest using the mounting holes on the bottom of the brackets and your choice of hardware. Also included is this pigtail for use after the lamps have been connectorized and you want to test the lamp or change the lamp flash pattern. Each light has 4 wires and 2 modes, primary and secondary. The red and blue wire control the programmable modes, the yellow wire is for programming or synchronization of multiple lamps, and the black wire is for ground. 2 modes are activated by connecting the black wire to ground and then adding 12 to 24 volts DC to either just the red wire or the red and blue wires together. To program the primary mode, connect your black wire to ground, and then attach red and yellow to power. The lamp will flash 3 times to indicate that it's been placed into programming mode for primary mode. Next, remove the yellow wire from positive, while keeping the red and black still connected to positive and negative respectively. The lamp will now start to display the current flash pattern and speed it is set to. To advance to the next pattern, tap the yellow wire to positive. To reverse to the previous pattern, double tap the yellow wire. A list of all patterns and speeds are featured on our website under the RECT Series or the RECT Series chase lamps, and also displayed at the end of this video. When you find the pattern you want, simply disconnect the red or black wire to save to the new setting. To program the secondary mode, the process is the same, but we add the blue wire in addition to the red. Connect the black to ground and red and blue and yellow to positive at the same time. The lamp will flash 4 times to indicate that it is now in secondary mode and ready for programming. Disconnect the yellow wire only and repeat the process of programming by tapping the yellow wire until the pattern of your choice is selected for the secondary mode. Disconnect power and ground to save. A couple things to note on programming. If you want the lights to flash opposite of each other or wig-wag, tap to the same pattern as the previous lamp, but with a different phase. For example, one lamp may be set to simultaneous single 120 phase 0, while the other lamp is set to simultaneous single 120 phase 1. This will give an alternating wig-wag appearance. The lamps can also be used as flashers until the brake pedal is pressed by tapping the blue wire into the vehicle's brake lamps. Verify the vehicle's electric system can support up to an additional 0.8 amps at 12 VDC for a pair of larger RECT 16 lamps in steady burn. These two examples are just a couple of the hundreds of ways to program and use the RECT Series chase lamps. When you've selected the patterns you would like, the connector can be built and the lamps installed. To build the connector, first pass the cable through the bracket before attaching the connector. Some brackets may not require this step, but check that the connector fits through the hole before attaching it. Next, put the heat shrink over the wires. Then, while holding the connector, the pin should be inserted from left to right, red, black, yellow, and blue. Bring the heat shrink tube up around the wires and connectors like this and apply heat to shrink around them to secure. Now you are set to install. Here is where that pigtail will come in handy if you want to change your flash pattern instead of having to undo the heat shrink and take the pins out. Just plug this in and use the wires to tap like we described earlier. Like all of our LED products, the RECT Series is manufactured in our ENERGY STAR certified manufacturing facility in Gilbert, Arizona, and features a 5-year replacement warranty. TOMAR has been clearing the way since 1969, and we stand behind our products, just like we stand behind you.